Hello बच्चों, welcome to Hello Biology. This is the 13th lecture of chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variations.
Today, we are going to take a brief look at genetic disorders and their different types. Genetic disorders are conditions that arise due to changes or abnormalities in genes or chromosomes and can be passed from one generation to another. In this lecture, we will get started. So, students, genetic disorders can be broadly classified into two major types. The first type is Mendelian disorders, and the second type is chromosomal disorders. The first type is Mendelian disorders, which are caused by mutations in a single gene and follow the inheritance patterns described by Mendel. Examples include diseases such as sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, colorblindness, phenylketonuria, and thalassemia. The second type is chromosomal disorders, which occur due to abnormalities in the number or structure of chromosomes. Examples include Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. That's all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more biology content. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next class. Goodbye!